guys, welcome back to my channel. So who likes how my hair turned out? Who likes my edges today? Don't they look better than they normally do? I don't know, comment down below. So I just want to do my makeup and just, you know, ready to go out. Probably not, just, you know, have something to go out and have something to eat, and then yeah, just watch movies and come back home. Yeah, so let's do our makeup today. So I'm not quite sure what makeup we're gonna go for, but whatever we are doing it. So yeah, let's start. I'll prime my face using vitamin E enriched face base by Bobbi Brown. It moisturizes and it also primes your face. So yeah, as you can see, I haven't been even using that. I've been gravitating to my milk makeup, but now I just want to use this. But it's really beautiful. It's not like it's the first time I'm using it. I just don't use it often, but I use it. Look, I have just a nasty wicked aunt who visited me over the night, and she's stuck on there, and I don't appreciate her. Like she gotta go. Like the hell, she gotta go. Okay, I want to use the Too Faced Born This Way on the color Spiced Rum. I don't know if it's my color, but whatever. Dab 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 dab. I don't know why I'm starting with the foundation today, not with the brows, but whatever. I love this foundation. Love it, love it, love it. Don't have anything. I do not have anything bad to say about it. It's one of the best. It's NARS and Too Faced. I love them. I love their products. I need to try more. I ordered Bare Minerals. I just want to see. I saw it on sale at Debenhams, so I was like, I'm gonna try it. Hopefully that was my color that I got. What do you guys think? So far so good, yeah? Perfect. So now my foundation is in. I'm just going to do my brows. Okay, so I have my spoolie here, so I'm just gonna now I don't know why I did that. So I'm going to use this Lancome Tint Idole. You don't know where I got it from. Okay, that works. Ooh, I love it. It's a high definition anyway, so what do you expect? How do you expect? It's Lancome, right? Okay, that would do. That would do. I don't know why my light keeps doing this to me, and I don't know why it keeps doing this to me. I don't know. I don't understand. And then I'm just going to perfecto. Guys, you're gonna have to forgive me today. I'm not quite sure what's happening with my light. I'm trying to change the settings. So I'm just gonna create a look from this Too Faced cinnamon. Oh god, from this Too Faced cinnamon, but I might use all of my palettes that I have. Swell. I'm just gonna use that as my transitioning shade. Love that. This is bad today. Mm-hmm. 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 I'm gonna use Butter Up from Too Faced on just under there. Oh, cinnamon swirl just to make sure everything is blended up. Will that be better? I hate it. Palette that I got from Amazon. What they call it? Beauty Glazed. Yeah, I just want to pack that in there. Where's my mirror? Where's my mirror, you? My Lancome tester that I got with my perfume last week. Which Lancome perfume did I get? I forgot. No, what this one? It's We. Please check out the video somewhere. Yeah, my review on that perfume. Well, let me not spoil. So I'm just gonna do my mascara. Okay, so now I'm just gonna highlight my face and then I'll do everything after, because I don't want I tend to mess up my makeup underneath my eye if I just do it before my concealer. So I'm just gonna conceal first. Okay. I'm just gonna go back onto the Butter Me Up shade and just use it underneath. On my waterline. Okay guys, so that's my makeup done. So now I'm just gonna throw in so I'm just gonna use my normal setting spray, which is the NYX finishing spray. No eyelashes, no nothing. Seriously, when every time I put some eyelashes, I feel like I've got spider webs in my eyes. And you know, as much as I like them, but I still look cute without them. My hair turned out great. Turned out really, really great. Like, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. And my makeup turned out. There you go. From MAC, can't go wrong. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. So thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, this is my makeup look that I'll be rocking today when I'm going out. I don't care. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will help me grow. And make sure you like and comment down below if you have any suggestions where I need to improve. Really please let me know down below. I'm new to YouTube, so this is like, you know, I'm just a newbie. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.